Suzuki QuadSport Z90. Let me tell you some of the features of the Z90. It has a 9cc engine. It also has a throttle restrictor. You can adjust the throttle for the speed that you need, which your parents can adjust for when your skills and confidence become better on the bike. It has a key ignition for parental guidance, has a push button start for easy starting, and it has a backup pull starter. It has sturdy footwells for safe riding. It has independent front suspension. It also has beefy shocks all around. When I first got on the bike, I was very nervous, but then I got the hang of it. It only took me one lap and I felt very confident. The start was very easy. All you need to do is push the button. Dad adjusted the throttle, which made it much easier for me to ride. I was comfortable on the seat because of how soft and cushiony it was. The bike was stable and it made me feel safe. The brakes worked instantly. I really like the sporty look of the bike and the yellow colour. The suspension was very smooth on the ride. I only stopped riding because my dad told me to. I had heaps of fun in the Suzuki QuadSport Z90. I can't wait to go on it again.
If you buy one of these fantastic QuadSport Z90s before December 31, you'll save $575. Hurry into a Suzuki dealer for amazing savings on all their fun bikes.